you want to make shopping on Shein easier and faster? In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on the Shein app step by step so you can complete your orders smoothly and securely. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Shein app. You will tap here. Here in this page, you will go down to click on this sign of profile, so you tap on profile. On above, you click on this sign of settings, you will tap here. Then this page of settings, you will click on your payment options, so you will tap here. And after that, you will find this window of add your new card, so you click here and you will add a new card on your Shein app as you see here, and then you click on confirm to add your payment method. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.